common PLC maintenance types. Preventive maintenance, conducted at scheduled intervals. This involves regular inspections, cleaning, and part replacement to prevent issues before they arise. Predictive maintenance utilizes data from sensors and advanced analytics, such as machine learning, to monitor PLC performance and predict maintenance needs, reducing unexpected downtime and overall maintenance costs. Corrective maintenance, performed when a problem is identified, requiring immediate resolution, involves repairing or replacing failed or malfunctioning parts. Emergency maintenance promptly addresses unexpected breakdowns or failures to minimize damage to the system or equipment. Condition-based maintenance monitors PLC condition and performs maintenance when specific conditions are met, reducing downtime and extending the PLC's lifespan.